it down. Nah. Wow, look at all the ashes down there.
Yeah, geez.
Gotta wait for the next song.
So cool! Ooh! Look at all the ashes down there. So fun. Ooh! Really nice, huh? How long it goes. Ooh. Wow. The music too. Oh, it's so good. Sorry, the camera in your way.
No, it's okay.
I don't know where to put it. Right down here. How that?
Yeah.
Wow, look how long that one is. Wow. Oh, now it's going to like emotional song too. So it's like longer, deeper. Like, look at this one. Oh, so much feeling. Oh. So, it seems so serious. It's like, take a break from all that energy. Oh, and it's really bright at first, too. Oh.
Yeah.
It was worth it to come. Oh. Such serious music, like, boom. Oh. It's so pretty! And they're slow motion too, it feels like.
Yeah.
They're like the slowest fireworks ever. They're just right though. They're like, pow! Serious music, pow! Oh, they're really, ooh! Look at all that. Pow! Like flowers too. Wow, look how long! Ooh. Gonna bring up the. Oh, pretty, sparkly. Pow, pow, pow. Ooh, that was a cool one. Wow, it keeps going now. Uh-oh. The finale coming up. Ooh. Oh, whoa! Look how far. Woo! They did so good. Wow! I like the ones that do that. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
Wow, smoke now. Woo! You like this song?
Yep.
Is it Fireworks?
Yep.
Oh, that's why. It's so good. Wow. Woo! Woo! That's woohoo! It's a really long show too. You know this song?
Yeah.
Oh, light 'em up. Woo! Oh, it's, do you feel that heat? Oh my God! It's really hot! Oh my God! Whoa! That was really cool. Light 'em
That's
up.
great.
Oh my God! That was real! Woo! Light 'em up! I'll always remember this song now.
Yep.
Wow! Oh, I can't calm down now. Woo! It's really hot too. They were really. Woo! Oh man! That was so cool.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, it matches the song so good
Yeah.
too! Light 'em up. It looks so cool! You feel really hot!
Yeah.
Oh my God! You feel the heat? Whoa! That is so cool! Oh man, I'm sweating!
Jeez.
That's the real deal! Wow! Wow, they raised so much money!
Yeah.
Those
That
flames!
was a great song and display combo.
Light 'em up, light 'em up!
Oh.
Yeah, it was so perfect, the flames! Like, oh! Oh man! Woo! Oh man! I think the best fireworks I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Wow, those ones really light up the ground.
Yeah, this is definitely the best professional show I've ever seen.
Oh, that's awesome! I'm so glad. Woo! Wow! Woo! Wow!
Oh man.
Oh my God, that was too good. Oh.
Jeez.